Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about learn how to make more money with video marketing. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. For more information about learn how to make more money with video marketing, head over to my website, link is in the description box. Learn how to make more money with video marketing. Should you join an affiliate program? If you have decided to join the video marketing bandwagon, you have made a good decision. However, you are missing out on one of the most powerful marketing tools ever invented for beginners. There is no shortage of methods that you can use to market online. Some are better than others for some people, but there is one method that will always be effective no matter what the competition is doing. It is a marketing strategy that has only been around for the last 5 years and it is called an affiliate program. If you have never heard of it, you might be scratching your head wondering how you can learn how to make more money with video marketing. Video marketing is a pretty new form of advertising, and because of this, affiliates have been taken out of the mix. It is sad to see this, but we have to be practical. If you want to find a new way to make money online, affiliate marketing is definitely one of the best ways to do it. You can do it for free. No one will tell you that affiliate marketing is easy to learn, but that is exactly why you should jump in. You will be able to teach yourself how to make more money with video marketing without spending a dime. The truth is that if you are looking to get started in video marketing, you should buy a few videos and go through them one by one. This will give you a starting point on which to build your business. With affiliate marketing, you don't have to start small because you already have a lot of knowledge about video marketing. Your videos should be an extension of your website so that they are useful and help visitors to know more about your business. When you first look at video marketing, you may be afraid to be in front of the camera, but do not be. You will have an easier time learning how to make more money with video marketing if you are prepared to get down and dirty. In order to make money with video marketing, you have to understand all of the software that is available to you today. It is not as hard as you think and you can get online tutorials and assistance to get started. Don't expect to have the biggest smile on your face when you finally get online and start searching for free training on how to make more money with video marketing. But you will have a well-rounded business that will not only keep you busy but will also earn you money each and every month. Whether you choose to use an affiliate program or not, you should join in and use these free resources. Do not be afraid to experiment with different methods, because you never know where your next success will come from. Learning how to make more money with video marketing. Can you really learn how to make more money with video marketing? In this article, I want to discuss some of the most popular methods of making more money with video marketing. The most common way to make more money with video marketing is through paid advertising. You can sell your product or get paid to advertise. In addition, you can also sell other people's products and services. For example, many companies pay a company to place their pay-per-click ads on your site. Then, they pay you a fee each time someone clicks on the ad. The company does not pay you until they see the ad and it was clicked. So, the more views your ads receive, the more you will make. Another way to make more money with video marketing is by being a paid survey taker. Surveys that offer cash incentives are great because they give you cash without asking for a credit card number. This way, you can spend your earnings however you want. It is not uncommon for survey takers to make up to $100 per hour. For those who are willing to take surveys, there are a lot of sites out there that will give you free digital videos in exchange for your information. These free videos are great because They have lots of interesting information that could help you. Of course, you can also make money by selling these videos. The most popular way to make more money with video marketing is through affiliate marketing. If you want to learn how to make more money with video marketing, affiliate marketing is the way to go. There are two main types of affiliate marketing. You can either join affiliate programs to sell products on your own site, or you can join a network as an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing allows you to sell products directly to your visitors. It is more complicated than buying a product and then distributing it through a middleman. You can also benefit from the fact that most of these products are associated with major brands. While affiliate marketing is great, there is no shortcut to learn how to make more money with video marketing. If you want to become a successful affiliate marketer, you will need to put a lot of time and effort into learning the ins and outs of marketing. This involves SEO strategies, video editing and design, and even keyword research. In addition, if you want to learn how to make more money with video marketing, you will also need to learn the skills to market on your own. At the end of the day, you will need to be able to write effective marketing copy and design videos that make your product or service known. Before you decide how to make more money with video marketing, you should first determine what niche you want to promote. If you are new to marketing, it is highly recommended that you start out in a niche that has a huge amount of traffic. After you know what you want to promote, you will want to find the best way to learn how to make more money with video marketing. Luckily, there are two options that you can take. You can either hire a consultant or you can learn by yourself. However, if you are going to make the learning process on your own, it is important that you focus on taking advantage of free online marketing courses. In order to learn how to make more money with video marketing, you must begin to build a following and reputation. Make more money with video marketing. Is there a secret on how to make more money with video marketing? It is not that hard to create a good marketing video, but there are some things you should know about. This article will tell you what those secrets are. The first thing to do is to have a good idea of what you want to say. There are a lot of marketing videos on the internet for this very reason. It is easy to get carried away and say something that is stupid. As an example, if you wanted to market a website selling counterfeit watches, you would not want to say things like "buy it now and you get free food" or some other silly statement. It is much better to create a video that describes your product and explains why people should buy it. Say a brief description, but make sure it gives a strong reason for buying. You can also do this with the wordings of your videos. For example, if you had a video about custom golf clubs, you could tell people that buying this type of club would allow them to play in any type of weather. Create your video at a certain quality. The best videos are typically 5 minutes long and follow the same format. People have been watching longer videos longer than they have watched shorter ones. For this reason, shorter videos are often better than longer ones. Create your video around keywords. Try and use the exact phrase or keyword in as many places as possible in your video. In addition, use more than one of these phrases in your video. Say you created a video about buy golf club. In your video, it would be best to describe what a golf club is, but the first word you can use is golf. The words you choose to use in your video will vary depending on what you are trying to sell. If you were creating a video about the clothing, you would try to focus on the keyword clothing and even then mix it up from time to time. Make sure you focus on the main keywords in your video. Don't forget to do your research on how to make more money with videos. This means that you will want to watch as many of the videos that people are making and see how they are doing it. Take notes on what you think might work, and if you want to create a video, then use some of these things. After all, there is nothing wrong with getting inspiration from other people. Pay attention to what people are saying about your videos. If you can read comments that other people have left, this is a great way to figure out if you should make your own videos. Make sure that you follow these tips to make a successful video. When you have a video in hand, create the next one. You can do this as fast as you want. You may want to put out 2 videos in a day and keep adding a new one every day until you have thousands of them. People will keep coming back to your site for more and you will keep making money with video marketing. Don't give up and don't stop trying to make more money with marketing. Marketing for any business, in any industry, is going to take time. It is a competitive field, but the people who succeed and make the most money are the ones who spend the most time learning how to make more money with video marketing. It is easy to get caught up in the business of marketing. But it is important to remember that in order to make money with marketing, you must start with the basics. And this includes marketing the right way. Finally, I know that marketing for any business is hard work, but it is worth it when you realize that once you have mastered marketing techniques, you will be ready to take on everything you want to do in your life and become the best at it. Thanks for watching my video about learn how to make more money with video marketing. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.